Good morning, everyone. I wanted to do not a part 2 video, but like a part 1.5 video. On the 10th, I wrote this kind of fairly good sized list of goals, and now I'm looking at them 2 days later, and I'm like, this is cute, this is adorable, this is what I would have done like probably 5 years ago, where I just do kind of a brain dump of goals and then close the book, forget about them, and not really put much thought or effort into it after that. So let's not do that for 2024. How about let's try something different? What I would like to do is, and I'm going to discuss this more in depth in my next video, which is going to be my journal setup video. I'm very excited. I have my new journal. I just ordered some stickers for it. They probably won't come in time for the video, but you'll see them eventually. Anyway, I do believe that I can accomplish all of these things, but I do need to be strategic about it. 1, which activities require my daily attention and what will my schedule look like? 2, which ones are going to require weekly check-ins? And for weekly things, I tend to push them off. So if it's a once a week thing, I probably need some sort of accountability or something. 3, which activities are going to require monthly attention, and also I need to set up accountability for that, and which activities are a one-time thing. I'm going to be working on those questions. I wanted to bring that to you so we can start to think about how we can strategize for the coming year, because I don't want this to just be a list of things and then I don't do. So I need to figure out how to fit these things into my life and how to organize my time. I just hope you have a good rest of your week, and I will see you later this week in my journal setup video, and then I will do my weekly spread video that I have been doing on Sundays. Thank you for watching. Upside down wave. Goodbye.